Hi everyone, this is the new Dyson Digital Slim Vacuum Cleaner, cordless, we just bought from Amazon.com. We're gonna open the package and to see what's inside. We're gonna find some volunteer to open this package. Hey kiddo, you wanna go?
Okay.
Thank you. Here you go, inside the package. Now let's explore more on what is exactly each items inside this package. I need somebody to help me to turn this vertically. Hey miss, you wanna go help me?
Yes.
Okay, this is a long stick. It's purple. It feels not very heavy. Okay, very good. The next one is the menu. It's in a plastic bag. You consider some registration information and directions for use. Okay. The first thing is the charger. So when you open this white cardboard, the charger is right there. And there's a second item. It's a tiny brush. It comes with a vacuum cleaner. It's interchangeable with the toy piece that we have. We are going to show you the most powerful spin head. This piece, it sucks all the dust and debris from the floor. So actually very light. By the way, the whole thing is about 5 pounds. So this one is only about max, I would say 2 pounds. How heavy is it, kiddo? Does it feel heavy? Whoa, nice, right?
This is how it works.
So actually, this is a new box we just got from Amazon.com. And once it comes, actually it's battery powered already. I guess the manufacturer probably charged it for 3 hours for us before it came out of the factory.